Ja, hier heeft een dijkinspectie plaatsgevonden.
At this location, we are currently conducting a visual dike inspection. This inspection is the final part of a dike inspection education program, as organized by the Dutch Water Education Foundation. This is the first examined inspection. The candidates are now inspecting the dike here, and they do this individually. They will look for damages on the inner side, the protected part of the dike section, and also the outer or riverside section. The candidates have to show the ability to create an overview of the dike section as a whole, and subsequently they have to be able to inspect the various elements of the dike section individually.
Het programma professionalisering
The
inspectie.
program to professionalize the inspection of water defenses, called PIW, has initiated a training program for the improvement of visual inspection of dikes and levees, and this field examination is the conclusion of that training program. The program consists of 3 days training with a mix of theory and practice. The students will learn how a good inspection is constructed, what the various threats to dikes and levees are, and how you can identify and report them. Field trips are an important part of the program. The examination itself is built around several blocks. First, the candidates are received at a central location, where they're instructed about the examination. After that, they will go to one of 2 locations, where an inspection will take place: a river dike, a large structure, and a local levee. We especially look at the overall attitude of the candidate inspector. Has he provided a sound overview of the dike section, and in particular with the lines along the dike? These particular points provide important information about the overall condition.
En wij menen dat er hier een 4-tal schadebeelden zijn.
Here we've identified 4 major and 12 minor damages, over a stretch of about 200 meters alone. The 4 major damages could eventually lead to dike collapse, so these must be identified by the candidate. The assessment of the general condition of a dike can only be made efficiently if damages are reported in a uniform and standardized format. Reporting skills are important because the inspection report is submitted to the main office, where the manager of the dike asset will assess all reports together.
Ja, we staan hier op een regionale kering, een boezemkade.
This is the location of the local levee the candidates have to inspect. It's a relatively small area with an average water level difference of about 80 centimeters inside and outside the dike section. At this location of about 120 meters, we've identified at least 14 damage profiles the candidate should be able to recognize. That's significant.
Wij vinden het examen heel
The
belangrijk.
exam is very important because it signifies a drive to a higher standard of working. So we hope that an increasing number of water boards will subsequently join and allow their inspectors to follow this program and achieve certification. These are the first certified dike inspectors of the Netherlands, maybe even of the world.